Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey everyone, this is Dan. We're back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop. And let's just start this customization. So the first thing that you will need is the project file. So download the project file, and thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for supporting my channel and supporting my work. So let's quickly download the project file. Again, guys, thank you so much for the donation. And so after you download the project file, you can close the browser. So go to the downloads directory, and then here just extract the project file, the zip file, and then you can delete the zip file. And here just have to make sure one thing, and that is you have to keep the project file inside the downloads directory. So it has to look like this. If you go to downloads, and then you'll find the project file. So just right click on an empty space and click on open in terminal, and here just run the script. Press enter, type your password, and just wait a few minutes. So what this script will do is it will install all the necessary files and applications that we'll need to customize our desktop, and we'll make it look cool. Press 5, press enter. And again, guys, thank you so much for the donation and for the membership. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to make a living here, guys, so do support my channel and my work and keep me motivated so that I can make videos like this. And one more thing, guys, and that is I do read your comments, every comment, and I do apologize, guys, if I don't reply to all of the comments. So I'm gonna press OK here, press enter, and also apologize for my bad English, and I apologize in my every video, because what can I do, guys? This is not my first language, and I'm trying my best. And press enter here. Alright, guys, so this is done, so I can close the terminal. And after that, I'm going to quickly install the color script. So for that, again, open a terminal, and then just copy and paste this. Type your password, so let's check if the color script is working. So color script -r means random. So yeah, this is working. And after that, what I'm going to do is make fish the default shell. And for that, right click on the terminal, click on preferences, and then here go to command, and then check this box right here and type here fish and close it. Close the terminal, open the terminal this time. And as you can see, it is showing the fish shell directly. And as you can see that there is a line written over here, says welcome to fish, the friendly interactive shell. Type help for instructions on how to use fish. Again guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. So I don't want that. So if I open a new terminal, you'll see that this is showing the same line and it is doing it every time. So I want to remove that. For that, I'm just going to copy paste these lines of commands. Copy this, paste it, and I want it to run this color script instead of showing me this line. So just press enter. You can type end, press enter, and finally there's another line of command, which is this one, to save what I've just changed for the fish shell. So it is this line. Press enter and we're good to go. Now I can close the terminal, and if I open the terminal again, and you'll see that it has this cool color effect. And if you don't like that, you can also remove it by just not typing this command. Just type this command and then press enter and then type end, and it will directly take you to the fish shell instead of this. Actually I kind of like it. So that is the whole purpose of this, customizing the desktop. So I'm just trying to make it look good. So while I'm here, I can just do a little bit more tweaking on the terminal. So if I go to scrolling, and I can deselect show scroll bar, and it will have this minimal look. And I can deselect this one as well. So if I close it, and you'll see that the terminal has this clean new look. Alright guys, once you have done that, let's not waste any more time here. Let's just go inside the project file and click on download links. So I have provided some links here, and just copy the links and go to the browser and paste it. So let's just quickly do that. Copy and paste all of those links first, and then download them one by one. All right, so we don't need these two, just this first one, this first conky, which I'm going to use. And then the neofetch fonts, copy that and paste it inside the browser, and the rofi theme, the rofi launcher themes, and then the polybar themes, and finally the polybar dependencies. Copy this and paste it. Alright, let's first download the Groovebox theme. So here you can scroll down and I'm going to download the Groovebox Dark Soft, which is going to be this one. And then the Groovebox icon pack, and then the cursor, Linux of course, and then the conky theme, which is going to be the one with Celsius, this one. And in this page I'm going to download two fonts. The first one, so this is for the neofetch theme that I'm going to use, the neofetch theme. So if I scroll down, I'm going to install this second font here for the symbol, and so let's download the Groovebox theme and then Groovebox icon pack, and then the Groovebox cursor, and then the conky theme. And I'm done with the font, so I can close this one. All right, so this is downloading the cursor pack, so I can close this browser and this browser, and I have already downloaded the conky. Now here, this is for the rofi, the launchers. And alright guys, so we don't actually need this one, so we can close that one, but we need this one, the polybar. So this is for the polybar, and here are some instructions written over here, and here there are some polybar dependencies. By the way, I have already added this inside my script file, so you don't have to actually install anything from here. I just wanted to show you guys the page and wanted to give you guys all the links to the pages so that you can check out yourself, but you don't have to do anything here because I have already added these dependencies inside the script file that I have created, the script.sh. So I can close this one. The next thing that you'll have to do is click here and download the zip file. Alright guys, so let me show you the download links again so that there are no confusions. So basically we're going to need this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one as well. But we're not going to use these two conky themes. And also you don't have to go to this site as well. I just provided the links. That is because I got the neofetch theme from here. That is why I felt the need to add the links. They have a lot of awesome themes. You can check that out. That is why I provided the link. And I just want to shout out to their work because I am using the theme from their collection. Then you're going to need the neofetch fonts. That is why I have provided the link. So you have to actually go to this website to install the fonts, to download the fonts and then install it. And then basically you don't have to go to these three links as well. Again, I provided these links because I have got the polybar theme from here and the dependencies from here, and I have added the dependencies inside my script file, so you don't have to do here anything as well. So again, we need this four, and then just this one, Alright guys, let's see. So I have downloaded the polybar themes, and so I can close the browser now. So the next thing that I will do is go to the downloads directory, and here I'm going to extract all these zip files that I've just downloaded. So the polybar, this is the cursor one, and yeah, basically all of them. Right click on extract here, and this will extract all the files one by one. Wait a few seconds, and I hope I'm not making things complicated. I try to make things as simple as possible because these customizations take a lot of days to assemble and to test out all the color palettes, which one suits which one. So, and I'm doing this to so that you don't have to waste all that time researching and getting all the themes and color combinations. So yeah guys, so once I've done that, let's just delete these zip files because we don't want to clutter our downloads directory, which is already looking a little bit messy. But don't worry guys, I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So mm, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, I probably need to install font first. So go to the software center, I mean software manager, and type fonts, and you have to scroll down a little bit and download this one, fonts from Flatpak. So install it, click on continue, and this will take some time. So while it is doing its thing, I'm going to quickly open another window and right click on an empty space and click on show hidden files and go to home directory, and here go inside the dot themes folder, and here I'm going to get this groovebox theme files inside that. Just drag and drop, and I can delete this one and go back here and then click on dot icons, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to get the icon pack inside it, inside the dot icons folder, and then once I've done that as well, I'm going to go inside the dot config, and here go to conky, and this is our conky theme. So I'm going to do the same, drag and drop the conky file inside the dot config and then conky here, and then go inside the conky folder, and on the right window I'm going to go inside the project file, and here I'm going to drag the conky config file inside the conky folder, and I'm going to click on replace because I have made some tweaks, and you'll see in a minute, so that it works properly and you don't have to go through all the config script and then do all the tweaks yourself. So yeah, and once you have done that, you can go inside the scripts here and do the same. I have the weather script, replace it, and then the player CTL script, replace it as well, and here inside the project file there is a readme file, text document, and I have written some instructions how to get the accurate weather information for your location, and this is very easy. Actually, go to openweather.org and just create an account. It is totally free, and get your city ID and API key, and just go inside the weather.sh and like this, and here just change the city ID and API key according to your location. You can get it from the website, and this is actually very simple, and it will show you the actual weather of your location. So once I've done that, I can go back here. All right guys, so this is pretty much it. So I can close this window, and I'm going to apply the wallpaper. By the way, I have provided two wallpapers. One is this one and one is this one, so you can use either of them, and they both look good with the customized desktop. So this is almost done. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'll do is right click on the panel and click on move, and I'll move it to the right side like this. And I can do a little bit more tweaking on the panel. I can keep this in the center like this, and let's just keep it like this for now. Alright guys, let's just quickly apply the conky theme. So I'm going to type conky manager, and here select on this settings icon and select the run conky at system startup. All right, once you have checked that, and go to locations, click on add, and right click on show hidden files, and find your conky folder, which is inside the .config, and then conky. Select it, click on open, and select it, click on OK, and refresh it, and you will see our conky theme here. Select it and give it a few seconds, and there you go. Here is our conky theme working properly. So I can close the conky manager, and the fonts are almost done. So the next thing that I will do is I will apply the themes. So I will just type themes, click on themes, and click on advanced settings. And by the way guys, I forgot to get the cursor theme back. So go inside the dot icons, and here this is our cursor pack. Yup, just drag all of them right here, and we should be good to go. So I can delete that. All right, now first of all, apply the theme, which is Groovebox Dark Soft, and then the icon Groovebox plus dark. As you can see, the icons have been applied, and then the desktop Groovebox Dark Soft, apply that. All right. All right, so I have found the Groovebox cursor, this one, so I will apply that one. All right, now you can close the themes app, and the fonts are installed. Now I can install the fonts that I've downloaded, so which is this one. Let's install this one first. Click on install, and this next one, click on install, and then not this one, this one right here. Click all these fonts as well. All right, install this one and this last one. All right, let's go back and let's check if the fonts are working properly. So just type neofetch in the terminal, and it seemed like the neofetch theme isn't working. And for that, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the neofetch config file inside the neofetch folder. So go inside the project files, and this is our neofetch config file that I've prepared. So go to home directory, go .config, and then go to neofetch, and then just replace it like this, and we should be good to go. Now if I go to terminal again and type neofetch, and this should work this time. Yep, as you can see that we have this new neofetch theme going on right over here, and all these icons are working properly. As you can see, that is because we just installed all the necessary fonts. And while we're here, I can quickly do a little bit more, make a little bit more changes here. So if I go to custom fonts, and I'll apply this one, Liberation Mono, and make the fonts a bit smaller, and this looks good, I guess. And here go to colors, and I can use this one, solarized, if you like it. And by the way, you can change each of these colors if you want. So let's say if I want a color from here, click on select. All right, let's say I might want it to change it to like this. So you'll see that it's changing here, and basically you can do the same for all the colors. Maybe make them a little bit lighter. Alright guys, so you get the idea. You can spend a little bit of time changing the colors, but right now I'm going to install the polybar. So go inside the downloads directory and then go inside the polybar themes master, and here we're going to install the polybar. So here, first of all, right click on the setup.sh, click on properties and go to permission and make sure that it is selected, allow executing file as program. And by the way, you can go to the polybar themes link that I have given and see the instruction. Actually, this is very simple. So just go inside the polybar themes and then just chmod, which means make the .sh file executable. You can copy it like this and go inside the polybar folder, right click on empty space, and then go to open in terminal, and here paste it to make it executable, which it already was. So after you do that, just run the script setup.sh like this, press enter and press 1, press enter, and it is showing that successfully installed. So I can close the terminal and let's check if it is installed. So if you can go to .config and scroll down, you can go to polybar next, and you will see that all these themes here. All right, so you can close the browser and then close this one again. Guys, I hope I'm not making it too complicated. I'm trying to make everything as understandable as possible, guys. I hope I'm succeeding in it. I hope so, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, because again, guys, I apologize for my bad English. But yeah, so once I've done that, you can go inside the project file again, that I have prepared for you guys. So here you will see that I have added a polybar.sh file. So this is for this is like kind of like a startup script. So all you have to do is just type startup application. Sorry, just go to startup application, and here click on this plus sign and click on custom command, and here I'm going to type, name it polybar, and then click on browse, and then go to downloads, then project files, and then select the polybar.sh, click on open, and then just click on add, and this should work. So you can close it and restart your system to check if it's working. Alright guys, so as you can see that the polybar is working properly, but there are some things, a little bit of tweaking that we need to do. First of all, just change it to Groovebox, because we're using the Groovebox theme. So select it to Groovebox, and you'll see that it is looking more accurate now. And I want to actually change the icons in the rofi launcher here. So for that, you have to go to .config and then search for polybar, and then go to cuts. So this is the theme we're using right now, and here go to scripts and go to rofi, and here go to launcher, click on it, and then here I'm going to change the icon theme from papyrus to Groovebox, and just save it, and that should do the trick. And you'll see that it has already applied the Groovebox icons, and which is pretty cool. So the next thing that I'll do is I'm going to right click on the panel, this old panel, click on panel, edit panel mode, and actually I can get rid of this menu, or if you want to keep this, then you can just drag it and keep it here. to make it look more minimal, I guess. Now I'm going to right click on panel settings, and here I can select it auto hide panel, and to give it a little bit more clean look. And there we go. So use the scroll wheel on your mouse to change the sound. Just hover over it and you can change the sound like this, and you can use this one to shut down like this. Press Y to shut down. No, I don't want to shut down right now because I want to show you a few more things. By the way, we are almost done here, guys. You can add some shortcuts, so you can type here shortcut, the keyboard shortcuts. Go to shortcuts, and here go to Windows, and go to launchers actually, and launch terminal, and you can select a certain key to open terminal to make things to work faster. So you can use control, the left control for opening the terminal, and to opening the home folder you can use left alt key. And also you can, to open the browser, you can use shift, the left shift. And actually this is why Linux is fun, guys. You can basically control almost everything. So for me this is actually easier to work with. And for closing a window, to close a window you can select it to, let's say, F1. So if I press F1, it will close the window. As you can see, I didn't have to press the cross sign. And if I press left control, you'll see that the terminal, so you can keep pressing terminal and press F1 to close it. So this way you can work faster. If I press left alt key, and it will show me the file manager. All right, make the icons smaller like this, or make it like this to make it a bit cool. And you can have 2 extra panels like this. And yeah, that is basically it here. Now let me show you a few more things inside the terminal. So if I right click, go to preferences, maybe make it a bit bigger here and make it a bit smaller. Let's see how it looks. All right, this looks pretty decent, I guess. Maybe one more. Okay. Now here you can type a few commands to make it look cool, such as color script. And I like this one actually. So if you type this command, it will show this cool color stuff. And there are some other commands that I have included inside the scripts, so you don't have to install it. Just you can write the commands and it will show, such as pipes. So this is a cool command as well. You can type Hollywood, and it will have this this movie like effect. And you can close it, and you can type C-matrix, and you can actually change the color as well. So type C-matrix and type A-H, and it will show you all the commands that you can use, such as you can change the color, you can have the bold characters on. If you type -B, and what else? So let's see. Okay, you can type -C to change the color. Let's say C-matrix -C, and then let's type blue, and you'll see that it has this blue color effect. Let me type something else. Let's say orange. Let's see if it shows orange. Okay, so it doesn't have orange. It has these colors. This okay, so I can use, how about, so let's use yellow. All right, so this kind of looks good. So there's that, and you can type btop, and you can press M, go to options, and change the theme here to Groovebox like this. And it will show this all these informations. You can spend some time with it. And what else, guys? I almost showed you all of the things that I wanted to show. We can make the panel a bit smaller, maybe like this, and you'll see that the icons have automatically changed. Alright guys, so if this video is helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to support my work, support my channel, you can subscription the membership plan, and or give me some donation. I would really appreciate that. Or I have created a wallpaper pack for phones for now, but I'll have another wallpaper pack for desktops as well, and I hope you like it, and you guys can show me appreciation through this through getting these wallpaper packs. And it took a lot of time to create these wallpapers actually, and I hope you guys will like it. And I will leave the link in the description, and you can find it there, and you can just show me your support. I just wanted to give you guys something back as well. So this is what I'm working on right now, and I'm actually working hard, and I am putting a lot of time making this. I hope you guys will like it. That is all that matters. So, and I'm trying to make living, guys, so help me out, guys, and I will see you in the next video.